Everyone, this is Kiki for Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. At guide, gawa natin the reaction video. The SB19 performs Damn live on Wish 107.5. So this is there's something like before the party or before the outdoor concert na ginawa nila sa Wish 107.5. So basically, I am really eager na gawan to ng reaction video because I want to see. Okay, I have to be honest with you, basta Wish kasi talaga ng mga performances ng SB19. Gustong-gusto ko siyang makita. Gustong-gusto ko siyang gawa ng reaction video kasi makikita mo talaga yung facial expression nila, the feelings, the emotions, and the feelings that they are invested or investing to the said performance talaga pagdating sa Wish 107.5. So basically, I'm really excited na makita to and mapanood to because why not? SB19, the P-pop kings for today's video. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Eh. Eh. Okay. Ganyan pa talaga dapat, ma'am. Ang gwapo. Okay, si Josh. I don't want to disrespect Josh, ha? Pero si Pabi, nakikita nyo ba si Pabi sa likod? Si Pablo, nakikita nyo how Pablo is jiving there? I really love that expression talaga. I really don't know bakit talaga lately nakukumaling talaga ako. Actually, hindi lang lately. Sa simula at wakas na nag-umpisa sila, yung era nila na simula at wakas, na nakukos talaga ni Pabi ang attention ko because he is so baby, he's really cute and everything, right? Ang ganda ng jive niya doon. Sorry, Josh, ha? Bias pa din naman kita, Josh. Okay. Tingnan mo si Pabi. Eh. Okay, alam ko guys, nagsasawa na kayo na sabihin to at sabihin ko to. Pero grabe talaga. Ay, ang gwapo ni Pablo nakasama sa likod. Pero grabe talaga ang vocals ni Josh lately. Ang laki talaga ng improvement. Kung from the go up era nila, kung i-differentiate mo talaga yung mga the way mag-perform. Actually, hindi lang si Josh, kundi lahat sila. Pero pagdating talaga sa vocals, kung si Josh talaga, iba talaga ang vocals niya. Ang layo na talaga ng narating ng vocals ni Josh. Sa totoo lang. Wait lang, nag-ano ba siya? Nagbo-voice lesson sila, di ba? Tama ba? Anyways. Ay, come fight me. Okay. Ang gwapo. Bakit ganun yung expression ni Pablo dun sa likod? Grabe. Parang si E.R. Ehelcito. What is E.R. Ehelcito for today's video? Tingnan mo naman, very E.R. siya. Okay lang rin si E.R. Yung kontrabida pa. Yung kontrabida palagi for today's video. Ganyan yung atake niya. Pero si Pablo, ang facial expression ni Pablo talaga yung nakikita ko dun sa likod. Ang gwapo niya. Nakita niyo kung bakit siya ng labi. Alang gwapo. Sorry, Josh. Okay. Okay. Ito ni Pablo. Oh, gabi yung angst. I love the angst. Grabe. One thing that I really love about Ken, actually, he is executing low notes here. Pababa yung boses niya dito and ang hirap niyan, dear. Mauubos ka ng hangin. And aside from that, magaling talaga si Ken, masasabi ko, because the enunciation itself, nadi-deliver niya pa din ng tama and napapakinggan ko pa din and naririnig ko pa din ng tama ang lyrics, naiintindihan ko pa din yung lyrics niya. So basically, magaling talaga dito si Ken. Anyways, can we just repeat without any pauses? Sorry, ah. Eh. Eh. Okay, gwapo ni Pablo, gosh. Si Pablo. Eh, sige. Sino to? Grabe. Grabe na vocals, ha? Totoo lang, amazed na amazed pa din ako sa kanila. Stable talaga yung boses niya. Yes! Guwapo! Oh. Ganito. So, grabe yung boses niya. Okay. Wow! Wow! And they sustain that. Wow! Ang cute ng dimple ni Pablo. Oh my God! Sinama na naman yun! Grabe. Ganda din ang boses ni Jia, oh. Kasal lang! Love that. Grabe. Ganda ng vocals. Kasi. Wow. Wow, the vocals. Wow, I love that. I love that. Hey, there you go guys. So that's about for today's video. The SB19 Dam live on Wish 107.5. Mas grabe, no? Grabe. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.